back, folks. Listen, we got a beautiful little car here for you with third row capability. It's a Hyundai. It's a limited edition Veracruz. Spent more than half of its life in Florida, so it's got no rust on it. Then it went out to Pennsylvania with 2 owners with 24 dealer service records. We put brakes all the way around on this piece. Leather, heated seats, Infinity premium sound. This car is a V6 front wheel drive unit. Gas mileage is great. Got a real nice set of Michelins on her. And check out the inside. Car's brand new. No accidents. No issues. Ice cold air. Factory sunroof. Leather wrapped wheel. Wood grain. Power adjustable pedals. Third row seating. Real nice piece, folks. Personally driven this car. Sent it out for its service and safety inspection. Drives like a new one. No lights on the dash, no issues. Ready to go. Guaranteed credit approval is available on this vehicle. You're looking at 3 months. 4,500 miles also on the drive line. And your guaranteed credit approval is going to start on this vehicle at $790. Easy financing, 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, big old smile, free Carfax, guaranteed credit approval, gascleveland.com.